counties in east central Colorado, Elbert, Lincoln, in northeast Colorado, Adams, Arapahoe, Logan, Morgan, Phillips, Sedgwick, Washington, Weld. This includes the cities of Akron, Aurora, Centennial, Elizabeth, Fort Morgan, Greeley, Holyoke, Kiowa, Lyman, Sterling, Thornton, Westminster, and Windsor. Primary threats include scattered damaging winds and isolated significant gusts to 75.
Alright, this is not from my county, but we do have some rain right now.
Events at 2 inches in diameter possible. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can occasionally do produce tornadoes. Now here is the hazardous weather.
Alright, so severe thunderstorm watch, not for my county.
For today and tonight, another round of scattered showers and
But yeah,
thunderstorms will develop
like I said,
towards the noon hour in the
severe
mountains
thunderstorm
and
watch
then
just
move
was
across the plains.
watching some YouTube and uploading photos to my Instagram.
Some storms may become severe with hail up to 1.25
And then
inches in diameter and winds
yeah,
up to 65
that
miles per
came
hour.
in. So
The greatest threat of severe thunderstorms will be along east and County in northeastern Colorado until 3:15 p.m. At 2:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Shamrock, or 27 miles south of Fort Morgan, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation.
got another tornado warning.
Impact: expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Shamrock. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.